fermentation. Ang nakasanayan na daw na gawain ay ang ilalagay na brine dun sa drums na i-deliver na ay yung ginamit na brine solution dun sa fermentation. Cover the drum securely to prevent spillage and insect contamination during delivery. At the buyer's plant, this will be again sorted and reweighed prior to acceptance. Dapat daw, kapag nandun na daw sa planta ng buyer, i-check daw ulit yung mga cucumbers, tapos i-weigh ulit para ma-check. Yung para ma-check para malaman ng bumibili na tama talaga yung pag-weigh mo before mo pa siya na-deliver.
Good manufacturing practices or GMP. GMP are the correct procedures for receipt control, storage, and transport of raw materials and finished goods. The GMP presented in the section are those appropriate for producers of brine vegetables at farm level. Receipt examination, handling, and storage of materials. Tatlo yun yung cucumber, tapos water, and salt. Sa cucumber, each sack of cucumber should be inspected and sorted for size and quality. Rejected lots of individual rejected foods such as folding, rotting, and soft foods should be separated and removed from the area. Kailangan daw bawat sako ng cucumber na i-deliver sa inyo, kailangan ma-check nyo kasi yung pag meron daw mga molds, tapos may mga bulok na cucumber, kaya yung malalambot na prutas, dapat iiwala yun para hindi mahawa yung iba.
Bakit iiwalay?
Para hindi mahawa yun, para hindi rin mabulok yung magandang cucumber.
Bakit naman may malubol, no?